1994 for Econoline engine size 5.0 E150 Radiator replacement. First time you remove the air filter. Yeah, air filter. And take off the battery cable. And remove the whole oil transmission. This one, whole transmission, this one, and the lower whole radiator. Remove the both cover pan, this one and bottom. The right side both, this both. And remove the this bolt socket tank. Yeah, use the socket tank. This bolt and this bolt. And this bolt and bottom hole. Yeah, you remove the radiator. Old radiator. No good. And you check and make sure the radiator new. Yeah, new radiator. Check the shape of the bolt. Check the shape of the bolt. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for you watching my video. Please put subscribe for me. Thank you. Next time I put new video.